guys, goedemorgen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My hair is upsetting me right now because today is wash day and it needs some help. Anyways, today I'll be doing a bad makeup video. So I have this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. That foundation is really good, but I bought a shade that was too light, and then I got darker from volleyball, and now it really doesn't work. So you're gonna see me try to use that. I saw like a YouTube video on how to use like a lighter foundation and still get it to look natural. So we're gonna try that, but then again, I am not a makeup artist. I am not like, I don't really practice makeup like that, so we'll see how this goes. Y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. More content coming your way. Also, y'all, my lip gloss is from Paradise Essentials TT. I'm gonna put the Instagram link in the bio. Yeah, this is the Maybelline Fit Me right here. This is light. This is really light for my skin. I don't know if y'all could see it properly, but yeah. So we finna try. Alright, so I watched it and so far so good, but I look like I was finger painting because I couldn't see on the camera properly. So whatever. Anyways, so let's see how it goes. It's looking good. It's fine so far because I haven't blended it in.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, yo, so I feel like it's not bad, but at the same time, no boy. Right yet. Okay. Basically, I find it looks unnatural, but that's just me. I feel like I look like it's not bad, but it's not my cup of tea either.
I just really frustrated. Everything is frustrated me and I can't take it because I just frustrated. I just frustrated. I just
Anywho, so clearly I can't put on the concealer because the concealer is lighter than this, so this is basically gonna magnify the problem. So I'm not gonna do that. However, I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows. I really like this. You're probably watching this like it's not that bad. Yeah. No. Okay, so now we're gonna try to add bronzer to this mess and see how it goes. So just gonna use my applicator. This is the Ellen Tracy Bronzing Trio. I use the darkest, but this brown right here, just to get a kind of glow on my cheeks. At this point, I was pretty much done. Like, right as soon as I put on the foundation, I was like, nope, it's not gonna work. Now I'm gonna put some highlights and see what we get. Okay, so the highlighter that I have is Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder from, yeah, the Mega Glow highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. Right, I can speak now. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It doesn't look that bad because it's on camera. But boy, oh, when I tell you I was watching it in mirror, I was like, oh no sis, no. Cause I find like you could tell that it's too light. Oh, so I was rushing the eyes, so it doesn't look good. Everything else I also rushed, so it doesn't look good. Anywho, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You just saw me embarrass myself on camera, so let's do it. Whew, child, I'm glad I don't have to go anywhere, boy. Thank God I'll be home all day, cause boy, oh. You should could see it, like for real, for real. So, what is this? Anyways, guys, get me 2,000 subs. That's the goal for this year. Well, that's the goal for 6 months. That's my 6-month goal. 2K subscribers. So let's get it. Make sure to share the content. I want to thank all my friends who've been sharing my content religiously. Like, I appreciate you all so much. And thank you to my friends who subscribe, like videos, comment. I appreciate all of y'all. I appreciate the support, and yeah, stay tuned for future content.